Starlah.
Everyone else is getting in the car.
Hey, Starlah. Oh, I gotta get my phone too. Look at this stupid thing. Wow, Starlah. Wow, I won't let me take a picture. Dang it. Stupid thing. Wow.
Everyone else there.
Over there sitting down, Mom's tired. Kimmy's tired, her back hurts, and Heather's gonna die probably, and Tina's, look at her, poor baby, she's still gotta go to work tonight, look at the sunburn. Wave, Mommy, say hi! They all sunblocked, I didn't. Oh, she didn't? Oh, that was dumb. We're white people. We gotta have sunblock. Hi, baby! Wow! That is cool. Do you like I'm going higher? Wait till your pappy sees this. Oh gosh. He's gonna be like, oh no way. Oh my gosh. She's holding on tight. That's cool. Good girl. Thank you.
Was that fun? Good. I was watching her ball. Is that fun, baby? You have fun.
She liked it. Was that fun, Mommy?